Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of the DBPOWER EX7000 4K Sports Action camera. It comes with a 14 megapixel sensor and has a touch screen and is waterproof. So for everything, very latest technology. It has 2-inch LCD touchscreen, aperture 2.5. This is very good. Wireless control. This is very unique. 30-meter water resistant, really good, and 30-day money back guarantee and 12 months warranty. So everything really up to date, looking good so far. Let's check out the box. So here we have some things. It's a little bit difficult to read, so I try to get rid of the packaging. So let's see here, maybe a little bit better. Really nice box. So here we have again same description. Let's see what we have here. Same thing again. I have to focus, try to focus. SKU, not much description outside, so I expect everything will be inside. So let's check out. Takes a little bit of time. Really tight. Okay. So here we have a manual in different languages: English, German, French, Spanish, Italian. So we can see what we should expect in the box. Accessories, mounting of the camera. Everything so good so far. Wi-Fi functionality with the iOS and Android QR code. And the remote control, which I think should be included. We'll check that in a minute. And the micro SD card, which is not included as usual. I mean, not even the, if you buy a GoPro for $500, not even then you will get an SD card in the box, so no problem at all. So here we have, this is already German. Very strange. Let's see where we have the English. I thought we have more. Here we have the settings, all the things which are available. Hope you can see that now. It's focusing now, so you see. And what is very good as well, you have a zoom, so this is rather rare. Even with some more expensive action cameras you don't get a zoom, so this is really good. So some kind of manufacturer authorization or proof. So that looks really good. Let's take it out of the box. It's gonna be not too easy. Okay. Looks impressive, really black. If you like black, this is the one for you. really unique. I haven't seen a camera like this. So this is really awesome. If you like something which is not standard, which not everybody has, this is probably the one for you. Is it easy to open? Yes, no problem at all. Really small, lightweight, easy to open here, the back. Let's take it out if we can. Yeah, it has a firm hold, which is good. Look at this, this is really small. What a nice camera. And we have everything. What surprises me a little bit at the moment is that we have only 2 buttons. I can't find a third button. So looks everything can be done with 2 buttons. That's really special, and I haven't seen something like that. Only control with 2 buttons. That means, yeah, less risk for water or damage or whatever. That's really unique. I'm really excited to find out how this works with only 2 buttons. Here on the side you have everything. So you see SD card, probably mini, USB cable and HDMI. So this is, yeah, not much protection. So yeah, it's better to use the case definitely with this camera. But the good thing is you get a tripod mount, which is not standard with every camera. I have seen a lot of action cameras which don't have the tripod mount. So this is really a good thing. And yeah, it should come with it. I mean, it comes with a touch screen. So this is really a good thing, and it helps you to control everything. So I will charge it and then we will have a look how it works. So now let's check what's in the box. So of course we have different mounts. Looks we have special mounts. So yeah, now here we have the remote control. Really, the price really includes such a nice remote control. Isn't that unique? That's awesome, guys. That's awesome. Yeah, there are not many action cameras which include a remote control. So you have to find out how this works. So this is a really, really unique feature. Here we have the USB, probably it's a mini USB cable, which is more or less standard with action cameras. Yes, you can see it's not a micro USB, it's mini USB. So this is standard. Here we have a lot of mounts. Here's something unique. I have to find out what that is. And here we have the frame. Yeah, let's see how this works. Okay. I'm wrong. So it looks like it's that way. So you have access to these buttons. Also, this is maybe the microphone, I don't know. Here we have only access to the USB. Other things are protected. That makes absolutely sense. So on the way you don't need access to HDMI or SD card. But still, I don't get it really how that works. Yeah, it must be really. So yeah, this makes sense like this. So you have, with this frame, you have access to the USB, 2 buttons, microphone. That's it. So you get a little bit of extra protection when you're using this compared to only the tripod mount. So that's the good thing. And I mean, anyway, to use all these mounts, you have to have something like this. So to get these standard mounts work, these are the standard GoPro mounts which every action camera uses. So that's good. That's really perfect. Yeah, this is it so far. I don't see anything else. I hope you have seen everything. If you have any questions so far, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always trying to help you if you have any questions, and also if you have some comments. It would be nice to hear from you. So far, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.